So we've woken up this morning
and we're in Benidorm.
Hello and welcome back. We are in Benidorm. So we've come back here. Obviously we've just finished Christmas, we got my birthday and then we got New Year's Eve, and we've always had a relatively quiet New Year's Eve. So we thought this year, let's do something where it's a bit busier. See if we can find some of that life.
Yeah, I mean, we were talking about it, weren't we? That this time last year we were in the Highlands of Scotland and it was a blizzard. And this year we're hoping for sunshine and fireworks.
You can see there is some blue sky up there, so we're not complaining. But the kids enjoy Benidorm. Obviously, we don't do the whole club scene and all the bars, that's not us. But there's a lot more to Benidorm than just that. So we come here, the kids enjoy the swimming on the campsite, they enjoy the culture, because there's good culture here, especially if you go over to old side of Benidorm.
First stop is the ale hop shop. We love it in there. It's got so many unique things, and I'm sure I need to buy people Christmas presents yet. Let's go in. Haha, look at that. A wine cork box. I definitely need one of those. I just love all the cool stuff they do.
It is almost like a gadgety shop.
Yeah, look, they've got a Jenga game with shops. Used to love Jenga back in the day. Stu, I'm pretty sure you could rock one of these.
Yeah, right.
That would have come in handy for the Christmas swim.
Yeah.
What you found, Mel's? They're cool, you can make shapes out of those with pins. These are really nice. They're unusual. They're like not quite a cardigan, but it's a cover up. Could do with one of those actually. That's nice. Yes, I came out with something, but it's not for me this time, it's for somebody else. And it wouldn't be right if we weren't in Benidorm if we didn't visit Tattoo Central. Hello! How you doing? Looks like we're gonna get tattoos.
1 hour later.
Oh, absolutely gutted. So we came and booked ourselves in, and unfortunately the person that we booked in with is no longer working there. So we're not getting our tattoos done today by the looks of it.
Which is fine.
It is fine.
We got a few good artists in our local area, so,
yeah, well,
so be it.
Yeah, it is what it is.
And I got time to get some numbing cream. I'm getting old, 41 now.
It does hurt a little bit more the older you get.
Yes, it does.
I'll give you that.
Yeah.
Should we go and have a look down the beachfront then?
Yes, let's go have a mooch.
Bless them, there they go. They've just found themselves a little park on the beach. They can have a play by there for 5 while we can enjoy the sunshine. So after some time mucking about in the sand on the park, I took the opportunity to get some family photos in while I could. Dexter was mad enough to go in the water before we started to head off down the promenade. Fair play, it's really busy, it's lunchtime, and it's like weaving in and out of the crowd. So the sun's coming out. Yesterday was really cloudy, so people are obviously coming out to enjoy it before the holidays are up. We're going to head to the other side. I think it was like Old Town. Are we heading towards Old Town? Yeah, we're going to the Old Town. We've not been that way before, so it'd be nice to see that. As we were walking along, we came across these guys. That's class. Someone throw another coin in. I need to see the rest of the kiss. I honestly thought he was going to give me the finger then. So we've made it to Old Town, and what a complete difference to the other side of Benidorm. There's lots of little streets full of shops, and then it opens out into this. How cool. Lots and lots of shops. We haven't even been down this side before, we've never seen it, so this is a real treat for us. Stopping off, we're trying to find some tackies. You know, those really hot crisps, we've been looking for those. Blue pack for some reason. Purple isn't as strong as it was last time. But yeah, this is gorgeous. So if you can see just behind me up there, it's like almost like a market town. Ice cream time.
You've got a choice.
Pick one. That's the Ruck clan with their ice creams, they're happy. We're just going to explore this street now and just see what's here, because it's completely different. It looks like it's full of all the fashion shops and restaurants. You can eat outside in the cafe bars. And it definitely feels a lot more Spanish this side, I think. Do you think so, love?
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
What are the ice?
A bit more authentic.
Yeah. What are the ice creams like?
But we could all go from there.
But look at all these little streets. You can literally get a good feel from a completely different angle. Follow the food and you'll find stew. They look nice.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that candy shop.
Let's go in.
Yeah, I feel like this is the proper end of town, not the touristy part. Yeah. It's cool. We definitely missed out on this section last time. I'm so glad we found it today. Check out that lottery queue. Just found some numbing cream. Stu said if I can get him numbing cream, he'll definitely have a tattoo today and he'll consider going somewhere else. Just walked past bowling, so on a whim, we've decided to come in and have a go.
Look at the name. I'm Olwa and he's
Did you completely miss?
No, I got him that time. I completely missed the first one. I launched it, went flying.
Come on then.
It's your turn.
Oh no.
Now let's see what she's got.
Nothing. It's been a while.
I can recommend the green one for you, the dark green one.
This will do. Show him how it's done now.
Go on then. How many did you get?
0.
My name's Dexter because I'm sexy.
Yeah, they kind of got their names wrong. They got me and Charlie and Emilia right, but Oliver is Olwa and Dexter is Sexter. You ready to go again? Foul. You went over the line. Yeah, it was a foul. Look, you went over the line.
No, I never.
You did.
Anything he'll say just because I'm beating him now.
Look, the red light's on. That was a foul. Oliver's turn.
I've never done.
Go on.
I gutted it.
It's a 0.
I'm not going to put it
I definitely think we all need some practice. We're rubbish at this. Come on, Sexter.
Jump. Jumping it.
That ain't bad. That was fun. Oh yeah, and it was made even better because I won too. 1 point I beat Stu by, he's gutted. Look, we got a visitor! Joff, Mo Hotel Adventures here at Camping Racker. Well chuffed with that.
That new fresh sticker as
Yeah,
well.
man. And we've just got one planted right there.
Might be sweating a little bit of Bacardi, you know what it's like.
Oh, well.
First night in Benidorm always gets a bit hectic, doesn't it?
So after that surprise visit from Joff, we ended up taking the kids swimming. And I've just spent the last hour and a half of my life cooking chips and pizza. I don't know what it is about motorhome ovens, but they seem to take forever. Oh, and I even managed to set the pizza on fire, but the family seem content and full, so that's the main thing. They all look like they're ready for sleep though. Not gonna lie. I'm trying to convince you to come out and sit out here with me, but I got no hope, so I'm not really sure what the point of stopping off and getting these chairs was about. We've got a line full of washing, so that's all gonna need to be sorted tomorrow, but we have a day here. We've got a full day tomorrow. It's New Year's Eve. We're planning to go down to the beachfront and see some fireworks. Now, New Year, me and Stu have always sort of stayed home because of the kids, so it's going to be something different, something for us to remember, hopefully.
Morning guys, Sunday today and it's New Year's Day, and believe it or not, the Sunday market's actually open, so we're going to head over and have a look. Kids have brought the scooters down. Well, I figured everyone else has got their scooters, so I might as well let them have theirs. Isn't that right, love?
Yeah. Oh, they've had a few tuts though. I was quite surprised about that because, like you said, there's so many buggies about, and you know, people are on electric scooters and bikes and things.
Yeah.
But they're doing really well.
And they're behaving as well. They're staying with us. They're not going in anyone's way. But yeah, market is just by there.
There it is, absolutely massive. So we're going in. Anything in particular you're looking for, love?
No, I'd just like to have a nosy.
They've pretty much got everything at this market, so I can guarantee we're going to walk away with bags full. He's barely walked in, he's turned the corner, he's already at the pants stall, so I can guarantee we're going to have bags full on the way out of here. Anything you fancy, Oliver? Not really. Anything you fancy? What would you like? Haven't seen it yet, is it?
No.
What about you?
I know I want some
What's that?
rugby shirt with my name on it.
Oh, rugby shirt with your name on it. Cool. Let's go looking then. He's on the hoodies. Don't tell me. North Face. My gosh, it's busy in here today. Who knew that a New Year's Eve market was just going to be so popular? We're literally trying to get out the other side now. What do you think of that, babe?
That was too busy for me.
Yeah. Can we go get some breakfast now? So we've come for breakfast in our favourite place.
Becky, do you want to be outside or inside?
Outside. Inside?
Yeah. I think that.
Do they want to play pool?
You fat bastard. After all the munching was done, we decided we were going to head around Benidorm, checking out all the decorations for New Year. We also stumbled upon Neptune's bar, which featured in Benidorm. We decided to get ourselves a cocktail before heading out in the evening for some New Year's Eve entertainment, which was a street party. It turned out to be a little bit busy for the children, so we went back to the van with some friends.
Good morning.
So we've woken up in France. We did a mammoth drive yesterday, didn't we, from Benidorm?
Yes, to Narbonne. So we're just over the border in the south of France. I think we're not going to do the full of France today, are we?
I very much doubt it. It's like 11 hours. But then this is me and Stu, right? We get in the front seat
Yeah.
and we think, oh, just a little bit longer.
We'll go halfway today and we just keep going.
Yeah.
But we'll see. If we do stop, it'll be around sort of Dijon, I think.
I was hoping if we could stop, we'd get to Lake Annecy, because I haven't seen it before.
It would be cold.
But even if we pass and I just stay there an hour and get to look at it and appreciate it, I'd be happy with that. We don't have to stay there. But yeah, I think Dijon is the plan, isn't it?
At the moment, it's very early in the morning. We've stayed on an air that we stayed on the way down because it was a camping car park. It was €10 for the night. Safe, nice and easy.
Yeah.
And
Air Venison it's called.
Yeah, and we're just parked just here in the trees.
Yeah, it's been quite nice. It's as close to a forest as I'm planning to get anyway.
Yeah. So, on that note, we're going to hit the road.
Yeah, we're going to head back to the UK. And yeah, we've got some updates coming up, I think. We've been making some plans, haven't we?
Well, you know us. We like to make plans. And they can't be little plans. They've always got to be big plans because that's what we do.
Are you happy, though?
Yeah.
So we'll reveal that as soon as we get the opportunity. But for now, we're going to go.
Yeah, take it easy.